In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create rules in Asana. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to streamline your workflow and automate tasks efficiently within your projects. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening the Rule Builder. To do this, go ahead and navigate to your specific project within Asana. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Customize menu, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Rules. Clicking this will take you to where our journey really begins. Next, it's time to harness the power of AI. You'll be given the choice to either start with AI Studio or create a custom rule. Your aim here is to locate the prompt area that says Create Rule with Asana Intelligence or something similar. Selecting this will allow you to begin crafting your automation using the power of AI. Now, let's move on to writing your instruction. In the visible text box, you'll be asked to describe the automation you wish to implement. Keep it clear and concise, perhaps in a sentence or two. For instance, you might say, when a task is added to the New Requests section, check if it's high priority, and if so, automatically assign it to the team lead and set the due date to 3 days from today. This prompt tells the AI exactly what you need it to do, setting the stage for efficient automation. Once you've crafted a prompt you're happy with, the next step is to generate the rule. This is simple. Just hit the Create or Generate button and let the AI do its work. This is where the magic happens, and the AI will interpret your instruction, automatically filling in the triggers, conditions, and actions on the left-hand side of the rule builder. Now, reviewing and adjusting these generated rules is crucial. Take some time to carefully go through the steps the AI has produced to ensure they align perfectly with your original intent. If you notice any discrepancies or areas that could be fine-tuned, don't worry. You can manually edit any part of the rule that's been generated to better fit your needs. This step ensures your automation works seamlessly with your project's unique requirements. Finally, after you've reviewed and are confident with the adjustments you've made, you'll want to publish your rule. By clicking the Publish Rule button, you'll activate the automation, ready for immediate use within your project. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to use AI for creating rules in Asana. With this knowledge, you're now ready to make your project management smoother and more efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and happy automating.